video we're going to unbox DJI Mini 3 and here it is. Alright, and I need something to open with. Perfect. A key. I need a knife.
You don't have a knife.
Okay, so we're in Montreal and we're just visiting this city for a short trip. So we don't have enough equipment with us. We have a bag full of it, but still not. Right there's just a seal. Oh, we had a knife.
Oh shit! But it would be dangerous to throw that.
Don't throw that! Don't throw that! Don't throw that!
Oh damn! Now you owe Walmart $90.
Yeah, if I have to return this, that means I owe them $90.
Yeah, I got the money.
Uh-oh. Oh, if I open this, then it's going to be $90.
Oh shit! Yeah, we can always rewrap the plastic.
Shh.
Don't tell Walmart.
Don't tell Best Buy.
Oh, Best Buy.
Right. As soon as you open the box, the first thing up here is a drone wrapped in a very nice, what is this thing, matte finish? Is it a specific type of? Is it like anti-static or just like a random thing?
It's not an anti-static one.
Ooh, droney. Okay, we're going to call it droney.
Drony what?
It looks.
Well, it's okay, we'll remove that in post.
Yeah. It looks very nice and cute.
It's a little floppy right now, but after it gets excited, it will be there.
Yeah. Ooh, the big thing.
The controller.
The most important thing.
Ooh.
The good controller.
Ooh, does it have a screen?
It has a screen. That's the best part about it. The other controller, that was a little cheaper. I think $50. No, that was $50 expensive. This was on discount, so I got this one with the
590 something.
yeah with the display cheaper.
No, if you talk about the Neo, it was cheaper. It was $554.
What is that?
That's
Some
gonna be the
paperwork.
charger or something.
Oh, some paperwork and some extra wings when we fuck it up.
Ooh, that is useful.
And the Type C to Type C.
They're called propellers.
Propellers? Okay, some extra propellers in the box.
Nice.
And what else? There's some silica gel. Do not eat.
It's a
Yes, that's all we have here.
no charger.
No power brick. There's no power brick in here, so it's only a Type C cable. Type C to Type C. Alright, so this thing takes a micro SD card here, so we need a micro SD card also. There you go. That was quick shopping, man.
You got it for a discount too.
Where's the battery?
It should be somewhere in there.
Wait, what?
I mean, batteries will be labeled.
Do they sell it without battery?
No, they can't sell without battery. How would you use it?
Charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using the first time.
Oh, yeah. Tell that to the audience.
Oh, this is the battery.
Ooh.
What? That's so light.
Yeah, not much.
Oh, it has another micro SD card slot here.
So
It
which
takes
one are you
two
supposed
micro SD card. Oh, which one you're supposed to put it in? What are you talking about?
There's two micro SD slots.
Yes, I think you should put it in drone, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we'll find out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe it.